Hey, what is going on, y'all? Jay 3 times with another video. So this video, yes, of course, how to make $500 plus a week doing UberEats. I say $500 plus. I mean, of course, $500 and way more. This is a self-employed kind of thing, so you work and make how much you ever want to. You know, this is like you're your own boss, really. You can make $100 a week if you want to. You know, go ahead and do that. If you want to do that, do that. We'll make way more than 500. It's your choice. It's all your choice. But let's get into the video. Number 1. Promotions. So there are promotions. If you look on the app and there's this tab that says promotions. If you actually look at the map, on the Uber map, there are bubbles. There should be blue bubbles. Within these blue bubbles are numbers that range from anywhere from 1.1 to 1.9, and that means basically you can make that's the amount more you will make per regular order. So you get like $5 per order. Let's say we make $5 for an order, and you're in the 1.5 promotion area. You will make 1.5 more than how much you make on that order, which is $5. Okay, so number 2. HOTSPOTS. You definitely want to drop in HOTSPOTS. HOTSPOTS promotions is definitely the places you want to be at to make your money, and only there to make your money. Because the better the hotspot is, the busier it is, and the more money you're gonna make. Alright, so number 3. Quickness. You're gonna want to be quick. I'm not saying you have to, but the quicker you are, obviously, the faster you get your orders, faster you drop them off. You want your next order. The faster you are, the more money you are gonna make, obviously. So you're gonna be quick. Number 4. Quests. Uber gives you an extra amount of money for every certain amount of trips you drive. Now this range can be from 60 to like 10, anywhere from that range. You want to drive 10, you want to drive 50, you want to drive 30. It don't matter. They give you options to how much you want to drive during the period of the week, and they'll give you an extra amount of money. So let's say you want to drive 30 trips on a certain part of the week. They'll give you like an extra $40, $50 just for driving 30 trips. I mean, it's extra money, it's free money, so just do it. Why not? Free money. Number 5. Times to drive during the day. I don't know how it is in different cities, but I know for a fact in Baltimore, I drive at night. I preferably drive at night. Now, if I want to make more money, I'll leave like late morning and then come back late night. You know what I'm saying? To make more money. But I preferably drive at night because that's where all the promotions are higher. Now, if you look at the promotions list of your app, you would see the promotions are different. They range different throughout the day. So, for example, it'll be like from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. the promotions are 1.1 to 1.5, and it will continue on from there. 11 a.m. to 2 a.m. 1.5 to 1.9. It'll get higher. That's how it looks for me. It gets higher later in the day. It could be different in different cities. I wouldn't know, or wherever you're at, I wouldn't know. But yeah, I think we're on number 6 now. I already told you 2 of these, so I'm not really gonna say it. I'm gonna just skip over. Stay in hotspots. That's what 7 is. 7 is staying in the hotspots and the promotions. I already told you that, but just stay in the hotspots and the promotions because that's really where your money's at. That's where your real money's at. So stay in there. Yeah. So like for example, if you get an order in that hotspot and the promotion, and it leads you like somewhere far out where there's no promotion, there's no hotspot, nothing like that, stop your request, take your behind back on that area, and get more orders. That's what I do. But like if I'm trying to just do quests, if I'm just trying to get more trips, I wouldn't really care because I'm just trying to get trips. I don't care. All my money's in, like, all your money's in the promotions and hotspots. So stay in there if you want to get, if you focus on the money, not focus on the trips. Like, still not focus on the trips to get the extra money. You know, you gotta work smart, you know. I think we're on number 8 now. Number 8. That is, don't drive without promotions or hotspots. I'm not gonna count that, but that is on the list. I'm not gonna count it though, because like I just told you that. So we're gonna skip that. Number 9. Being courteous, being nice. So you can get tips through UberEats, and like follow. Actually, let me add this. Follow the customer's notes and be nice. Be nice to everybody. Pick up the order. Be nice. You know, drop it up the customer. Be nice. Follow the customer's notes. If the customer say he wants certain shit done, do it. Tips. You want to get extra money, right? Tips. Be nice. Be courteous. You know, all that. And I think last but not least, we're gonna I think it's 10, right? 10. Drive in the city, not the county. See, now in Baltimore, I know for a fact you will make way more in the city, and you will make shit in the county. So, I don't know how it is in different cities and different areas, but I know for Baltimore for a fact you will make way more in the city. But anyways, that is the you know, my list of course how to make $500 plus a week doing UberEats. You follow this list, I feel like you'll be successful in doing this. But got more videos, more content dropping. Stay tuned, like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.